भक्ताय नमो वंशाकुलश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानं पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा
कृष्णा कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे।
सर्वदमेव कृपात् करुणा नित्यदिना प्रविष्ट ओम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर भक्ति राम श्री वामन गोस्वामी महाराज एवं वेदांत प्रविष्ट विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर भक्ति राम ज्ञान गोस्वामी महाराज के अभय चरण कमलों में अनंत कोटि शासन ज्ञापन करता हूँ। तत्पश्चात नित्यलीला प्रविष्ट विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर भक्ति राम गोस्वामी महाराज श्रीला भक्ति रखा श्रीधर कृष्ण भक्ति गोस्वामी महाराज गौरव गोस्वामी महाराज भक्ति विज्ञान भारती गोस्वामी महाराज एवं मेरा प्रकाश सादर अभिनंदन। हम लोग श्री राधा तत्व के बारे में कुछ श्रवण कर रहे हैं।
We were discussing about Sri Radha Tattva. Yesterday we heard about the Hladini Shakti of Lord Krishna, that is Srimati Radharani. In the Braj Gopis, Srimati Radharani is the topmost, and Srimati Radharani is the Sakshat Mahabhav Swarup. Shri Radha is non-different from Krishna. So Radha Krishna is the Swarup who have manifested for the relishing the Leela Ras. द्विदल दाल चना दाल द्विदल है, दो पीस होते हैं, दो भाग होते हैं। चना दाल बादाम। So Maharaj is telling about Dvidala. Like how if you take the almond, you can make it into two parts. If you take some grain, you can make it into two parts very easily. In the same way, Shri Radha Krishna is like that. Maharaj gave example to understand. Shakti and Shaktiman, there is no difference. Radha is complete Shakti and Krishna is the complete Shaktiman. Shaktiman.
धन जिसके पास है उसको धनवान कहते हैं, ज्ञान जिसके पास है उसको क्या कहते हैं?
So Maharaj is telling here Shaktiman. The word man is coming. What is this Shakti? Man. So Maharaj is giving example. If who is having more money is called as Dhanavan. Who is more educated is known as Vidyaman.
धन और धनवान
So, Dhan, Dhanavan. One who is very wealthy is known as Dhanavan.
आपके पास धन है इसलिए आपको कहा जाता है क्या
Dhanavan.
धनवान धनी शब्द कहा जाता है कृष्ण प्रेम धनी धनी आपका क्या है कृष्ण प्रेम धन है इसलिए आपको कृष्ण प्रेम धन
Krishna Prema Dhan. Krishna Prema Dhani.
किंतु भगवान में एक विशेष विचार है
So, in Lord, this is a special thing. He has money and he is also Dhanavan.
कि तथापि शब्द भी समझने के लिए हम लोग ये शब्द यूज करते हैं क्या करते हैं
So, to understand the subject, we use this special suffix or prefix.
You are not the wealth.
So, if someone like do not have wealth,
You have the wealth.
or somebody has the wealth,
Dhanavan is
more wealth, then he is Dhanavan,
wealthy person.
wealthy person.
धनवान is wealthy. किंतु भगवान में जो विचार जो होता है गुणवान है अलग है।
So, in Lord Bhagavan, there will be different things like Guna and Gunavan,
धन भी है
Shakti and Shaktiman.
शक्ति महत्व और शक्ति भी इसलिए कहते हैं शक्ति शक्ति के में कोई
Lord is wealthy and he is also a wealthy person.
राधा के लिए तो स्पष्टीकरण हो गया राधा पूर्ण शक्ति
So, Radharani, it is clear. It is mentioned Radharani is the
कौन सा शक्ति
Purna Shakti,
सर्वशक्ति सर्वणी राधा
Swarup Shakti, Swarupini Radha Thakurani.
इंटरनल
Internal potency.
पोटेंसी इंटरनल एंड
The internal and eternal potency of Lord Krishna is Srimati Radharani.
श्रीमती राधिका और कृष्ण पूर्ण शक्तिमान
And Krishna is
अनंत शक्ति
Purna Shaktiman.
गुण है किंतु तथापि शक्ति शक्तिमान में कोई भेद नहीं है
And
इस चीज जगत में जड़ जगत में एक व्यक्ति आज धनवान है
there is no difference between Shakti and Shaktiman.
आज आपके पास धन है
Today you are a wealthy person and tomorrow you may be a beggar.
10 साल के बाद आपके पास कुछ नहीं आप धनवान नहीं
So then you is not known as a wealthy person, you will be known as a poor person.
है
But Lord is not like that. Lord is always a wealthy person.
ये कहते हैं राधा पूर्ण शक्ति कृष्ण पूर्ण शक्ति
Radha Purna Shakti, Krishna Purna Shaktiman. दुई वस्तु भेद नहीं शास्त्र प्रमाण.
वस्तु भेद नहीं
शास्त्र प्रमाण.
शास्त्र प्रमाण कहाँ है Where the evidence from the scriptures शक्ति शक्तिमान और जो वेद शक्ति शक्तिमान में कई भेद नहीं किस लोग क्या है शक्ति शक्तिमान और
वेदांत सूत्र
वेद वेदांत दर्शन में कहा गया
So in Vedanta Sutra it is evidence that there is no difference between Shakti and Shaktiman.
शक्ति के प्रकाश दिखाई नहीं पड़ता है
We see the effulgence of Shaktiman, but we will not see,
इस जड़ जगत के
we are not able to see the effulgence of Shakti.
शक्ति के प्रकाश नहीं दिखाई नहीं पड़ता मुक्त प्रकाश
So it's very hard to see in this material world the effulgence of Shakti,
देखने की शक्ति है इसको कहा जाए दृक्
like
शक्ति
Drik Shakti,
है
the power of sight,
लेकिन दर्शन के साथ दृश्य शक्ति का
the power of sight through your eyes. This is called Drik Shakti.
किंतु आपके पास देखने की क्षमता होनी चाहिए आपके पास दिख सकती है आप देख सकते हैं तो राधा जी क्या है कृष्ण की उसी प्रकार
So in the same way, Srimati Radharani is the Swarup Shakti. Srimati Radharani is the Swarup Shakti of Sri Krishna. On the three type Ladini. So the three Swarup of Swarup Shakti, Krishna Shakti is Sammik, Sandhini and Ladini. Ladini means the pleasure potency of Lord Krishna. आनंद प्रदान करने वाले. In the Aprakrit Jagat, the transcendental world, when Lord wants to enjoy, then Yogamaya manifests his bliss potency. Radha anuragena dhavati iti Radha. So, with the highest mode of love, who is approaching towards Krishna is Radha. Or we can make in another way, Krishna with the very high love in his heart who is going towards Radha. This is also called Radha. Govind. So Chandravali and other Sakhis are telling this lotus feet which we are able to see is the Sakhi's lotus feet, and this particular Sakhi is very fortunate because she has gone with Krishna. Krishnena Aradhita. Krishnena Aradhita iti Radha. It means the Krishna whom he is worshipping, she is Radha. In the Man Dasha, Lord Shri Krishna. So in the Man Dasha, Lord Shri Krishna is worshipping Srimati Radharana, Aradhana. He is always thinking about Srimati Radhika. When Shri Radhika does Man and goes away from the Ras, then what Krishna will do? To pacify her, he will go behind Radharani and always thinking about Srimati Radhika. Radha Chintam Viveshanam Yashya Kanti Vilopita Shri Krishna Charanam Vande Radha Lingita Vigraham. This is one shloka which has also been evidenced in Varaha Samhita. Radha Chinta Nideshanam Yashya Kanti Vilopita Shri Krishna Charanam Vande Radha Lingita Vigraham. Radha Chinta Nideshanam. राधा जी रासस से मान करके जब चली गई, अब कृष्ण राधा जी को मान मनाने के लिए कहाँ पर पधारे? यमुना कुंड में इनकी तलाश में, इनकी तलाश में वहीं पर कृष्ण बैठ गए और बैठ करके क्या करते हैं? राधा चिंता, राधा जी में चिंतन करते हैं। राधा जी के चिंतन करते करते उनके शरीर क्या हो गया? राधा जी के भांति। So at the banks of Yamuna,
इसमें यदि कोई काला व्यक्ति भी गोरा होना चाहती, क्या करना चाहिए? सुंदर एक विदेशी कोई लड़की को
So Maharaj is telling how Sri Krishna was thinking about Srimati Radhika and his body was turned into golden. So Maharaj is just joking to give the example that if any black person wants to become white, then he should think about a beautiful foreign woman. Then he will become white. So Maharaj is cracking joke.
किंतु अपराधिक जगत में जो कृष्ण क्या करने लगे, राधा चिंता निवेश।
So what is Krishna doing? Radha Krishna Nivesh.
कृष्ण चरणं वंदे राधालंकित विग्रहम्। कृष्ण राधा की चिंतन करते करते आप में तन्मय।
So Krishna is always thinking about Srimati Radhika Rani. He is absorbed in the bhav. And Krishna's body turned into Gaur Ranga, golden color. And the same Sachinandan Gaurahari ki jai.
अथवा स्वयं राधा जी कृष्ण के सर्वांग में के भी आलिंगन करती हैं।
So Swayam Srimati Radhika herself, she was hugging Krishna. Even Radharani's body color is known different from Srimati Radhika. So Srimati Radhika Devi, through her body, she covered Krishna's body. So G. Goswami Pad is telling, Antar Krishna Bahir Gaura, inside Krishna, outside Gaura, golden color. Although he is Krishna, but he is thinking about Sri Radhika. And what did Radharani did? Dak diya. So Srimati Radhika Rani hugged Krishna through her color. Radha means two meaning. Krishnena Aradhita iti Radha. One who is worshipped by Lord Krishna is called Radha. So to obtain some material desire or something, we stay alone in a secular place and we start meditating. This is called dhyana. And we will do, Gaudiya Vaishnavas are doing mantra dhyan while doing anik and other times. 5 prakar ki koshish. So 5 types of things are mantrartha chintanam, nyas, mudra, prapatti, sharanagati and atma nivedan. Prashesh, 5 types of prashesh. These are the 5 types of prashesh. Mantra adi japa dhyanam. How to do mantra and jap, like that. There are 5 types of prashesh. Going further in the katha, Shaktiman again is 2 types. Sometimes he is Murta, sometimes he is Amurta. When Krishna is alone, Eko Aham. So his Shakti will be unmanifested inside him when he is alone. Bahushyami. So when Lord Krishna desires to manifest himself and when he wants to enjoy the Anand Ras, the bliss, so at that time this Amurta Shakti, the internal potency, will manifest, and the same internal potency, personification of internal potency of Lord Krishna is Srimati Radhika. Prakash manifest ho jata hai. So when Krishna desires, the same internal potency manifest. So that is called Murta. Radha Purna Shakti, Krishna Purna Shaktiman, Doi Bestu Ved Nahi Shastra Praman.
राधा कृष्ण एक ही स्वरूप लीला रस आस्वादिते धरे दोई रूप। इस कथा को प्रारंभ में आपने वर्णन किया था। जिस प्रकार कस्तूरी और
like how fragrance
अग्नि और अग्नि के जो दाहिका शक्ति
fire and fire's burning power.
अग्नि से अग्नि की जलाने की शक्ति को जो है आप
अलग नहीं कर सकते. So how we cannot separate the fire and its burning power? You cannot separate fire and fire's burning power. Sometimes chalta hai. So in India there is like some tradition. People through their mantras they make Agni stagnant, and sometimes they walk on the fire. And Maharaj is giving example from Bhagavatam, like Holika, the auntie of Prahlad Maharaj, Hiranyakashipu's sister. She was always sitting in the fire, but her body was not getting any damage. But when she sat in the fire along with Prahlad Maharaj, she herself got burnt because she did offense towards the lotus feet of Vaishnava. When Hiranyakashipu ordered to burn Prahlad Maharaj, he ordered to Holika that you have a mystic powers, now you burn my son. So Holika took Prahlad Maharaj and sat in the fire. But Prahlad was Mahabhagavat. At the lotus feet of Mahabhagavat's charan, there was an offense committed by Holika. So she lost her all mystic powers, and fire burnt Holika herself. So in Shastras there is evidence by mantra and other things we can do stambit. Stambit means stagnant, like no action. Stambit, maybe no action. स्तंभित मतलब स्तंभित.
एको ओपी संजो बहुधा विभाग आनंद मात्र अजरम पुराणमेकं तो बहुधा विस्ततो जनम नेह नाना अस्ति किंचन नेह नाना अस्ति किंचन. ये वेदांत सूत्र.
So in Vedanta Sutras it is mentioned Neha Nana Akinchana. The Lord is one, but He manifests Himself in so many ways. In the same way, Shri Radha and Krishna are one form. Just to enjoy the Leela Ras, they manifest into different.
राधा जी की अनेक गुण है. सर्व गुण में वो गुणान्विता है. सर्व गुण में गुणान्विता है.
So Srimati Radhika has innumerable qualities.
महाभाव की सर्वोत्तम प्रकाश राधा जी में प्रकाश.
So and Mahabhav's manifestation also came from Srimati Radhika.
कृष्णमयी प्रप्ता राधिका परदेवता सर्वलक्ष्मीमयी सनकं सर्वकांति सन्मोहिनी परा गौतमीय तंत्र में
In Gautamiya Tantra, another scripture, Devi Mahi Gautamanam Paramasundari Dinva Krishna Krida Vasati Nanagari. Krishna Mai Krishna Kori Bhare Jaha Jaha Netra Pare Taha Krishna Spure.
कृष्ण वांछा पूर्ति करे आराधने अतएव राधिका नाम पुराणे बखानी पुराण में राधिका नाम किसलिए बोला
In the Puran, Radhika words are mentioned like one who can fulfill all desires of Lord Krishna is Radhika. Krishna Vancha Purti Kare Aradhane. अतः राधिका नाम पुराने बताएं.
अतएव सर्वदेवता पूज्या परम देवता सर्वपालिका सर्वजगतीर माता सबके पालन पोषण करती.
She maintains everyone. Radharani maintains everyone. How she maintains everyone? In this world? Through her love. If Jeev do not obtain the Swarupa Prem, then he will be wandering into this material world, birth after birth. So, in this way, Srimati Radhika is the maintainer of everyone. So, it is mentioned here.
माँ जैसे संतान को जैसे पालन पोषण करती उसी प्रकार राधा जी
Like how
समस्त जीवों
mother maintains the family, in the same way Srimati Radhika Rani, she maintains everyone in this world through her love. And what is the source of this love? Divine love. What is the source of divine love? From where it existed? It is from Srimati Radhika. So in Madhurya Kadambini Granth it is mentioned, until and unless you don't get Radharani's Kripa in her, until and unless you don't get the Kripa of Srimati Radhika, till then you will not get faith in the heart. And this faith is the manifestation of Mahabhav. If Srimati Radhika Rani's mercy is obtained by anyone, then slowly he will attain Shraddha. In Madhurya Kadambini scripture it is mentioned about Shraddha, about 10 to 20 pages. Even in Radha Krupa Kataksha, so by reciting this, you can easily get Krupa of Srimati Radhika. So it is mentioned here, Sarva Palika and Jagater Mata. Sarva Palika means maintainer of everyone, and Jagater Mata means mother of the universe. In Narad Pancharatra it is mentioned, Sushti Kale cha sa Devi Moola Prakriteshwari. In Narad Pancharatra it is mentioned, another scripture, that Srimati Radhika's Sarva Mata. How can we say that Srimati Radhika is the mother of all? Even in Chaitanya Charitamrita it is mentioned. How can we say that she is the maintainer of everyone and she is the mother of everyone? So in Narad Pancharatra it is mentioning
भारत पंचरात में जैसे हम लोग ये सृष्टि करते हैं श्लोक याद नहीं तो जैसे बलदेव प्रभु से तो यहाँ पे नारद जी कह रहे ये जो महाविष्णु आदि जो तीन पुरुष होता है ये भी राधा रानी से ही होगा
महाविष्णु से जगत उद्भव पहले हम जो देखते सृष्टि के जो तत्व बताते हैं महाविष्णु से जगत उद्भव हुए प्रकट हुए
through Mahavishnu this universe got manifested or created, and here in this verse it is telling from the Radharani Mahavishnu got appeared through Radharani or manifested through Radharani. So in Narad Pancharatra it is mentioned here Mata Bhaved Mahavishnur.
सर्वलक्ष्मी शब्द पूर्वे करियाछि व्याख्यान सर्वलक्ष्मी गणेते हो मार्गदेष्टान हिंवा सर्वलक्ष्मी मयि कृष्णे सरो ऐश्वर्य सर्वविदो ऐश्वर्य नार अधिष्ठाति शक्ति सर्वशक्ति वर्य सर्व सौंदर्य कांति इति जानाते सर्वलक्ष्मी गणेर शोभा भय जहां होइते बाकांति शब्द कृष्णे स्विच्छा कहे कृष्णे सकल पंचा राधा देही रहे राधिका करणी कृष्ण और वंचित पुराण सर्वकांति शब्दे ऐश्वर्य जगत मोहन कृष्ण ताहर मोहि.
So Maharaj is mentioning the verses from different scriptures. In Chaitanya Charitamrita he is mentioning from Chaitanya Charitamrita about Srimati Radhika. He was reading the verses. Radha Purna Shakti. In Vedanta it is mentioned Smaratischa. So Srila Baldev Vidyabhushan Prabhu is telling in the Vedanta Sutra Radhabda Purna Shaktayaha. Brihad Gopyavat Tantra. Even in this scripture it is mentioned Radha. Like Radha Rani is the source of all Shakti. In Srimad Bhagavatam, in the first sloka it is mentioned, and in Vedanta Sutra, Janmadasyeto. So in the first shloka of Srimad Bhagavatam also it is mentioned Adi Yasya Janma Adi Ras. Adi Ras means Shrungar Ras. Source of all kinds of rasas also manifest from Srimati Radharani. So Srimati Radhika Rani is the source of all rasas. Just to give pleasure for Lord Krishna, she does service of Lord Krishna through all kinds of ras.
ये 5 गौण
मुख्य रस, 5 मुख्य रस, 8 गौण रस, 8 60
और 7 गौण
गौण
रस।
रस.
ये समस्त
So
साधक
5
के द्वारा
primary ras and 7 secondary ras. So through these 12 rasas, Srimati Radhika does the service of Lord Krishna.
कौन कौन रस? मुख्य रस में कौन सा है?
Shanta,
शांत रस है।
Dasya,
हैं?
Shanta,
शांत रस के द्वारा कृष्ण की सेवा कैसे होगी?
So in the primary ras, mukhya ras, which are the ras are coming?
शांत में क्या है?
Shantaras.
सेवा वृत्ति नहीं है।
Through Shantaras, how Krishna seva is happening? Seva is happening.
शांत में
In Shantaras, actually there is no seva vritti.
सेवा वृत्ति नहीं है तो सेवा कैसे? तो कैसे बस?
There is no service orientation in
शांत
Shantaras.
रस के द्वारा राधा जी कृष्ण की सेवा करते हैं। और
Through
शांत
this
में कहते हैं,
Shantaras, Radharani does the seva of Lord Krishna.
ममता
But in Shastras it is said, Shanta there is only Nishta.
चैतामृत करें, शांत रस में सेवा नहीं है।
In Chaitanya Charitamrita also it is mentioned that in the Shantaras there is no seva.
ममता सीधे सेवा
Because there is no mamata.
है। प्रेम प्रति की
If there is mamata, then only
ममता अनन्य
the
ममता
seva can happen.
ममता प्रेम संगता
The mool of prem and priti, the love is mamata.
प्रेम की जो साधारण जो परिभाषा देगा अनन्य ममता
Mamata, we can say mamata is like caring, caring also.
अनन्य ममता
Ananya
वही
mamata,
ममता ही प्रेम संगता
continuous.
वही ममता ही प्रेम है। तो
And this particular mamata becomes prem.
एक गुण है केवल।
In Shantaras there is only one gun. What is that one gun?
कौन सा गुण बताया?
Nishta.
निष्ठा।
Nishta is the only gun which is there
शांत
in,
भक्त क्या जाता है?
which is present in Shanta. What is this Nishta? What does this Shanta Bhaktas want?
वो आत्माराम
They want Parabrahma Bhagavan.
सर्वव्यापी। इतना ही निष्ठा उनकी इतना ही ले लिया बस। निष्ठा।
So this Shantaras devotees, they just want to merge into Parabrahma Bhagavan.
संबंध ज्ञान के साथ साथ ममता
Seva vritti will happen at that time when Sambandha Jnan
ममता के साथ
and Mamata are together. Then the Seva vritti will be very nice.
इसके जितने ही जैसे हमारे शरीर के प्रति हम ममता रखते हैं
Like how we keep Mamata on our sharir, in our body, to our body. We do service of our body.
तेल लगाते हैं
We put oil on our body. We take bath. We give food for our body. This is because of Mamata. But what does the yogi log does? They don't worry about the body. They don't worry about the food.
है? जो मुनि आदि जो है वो लोग क्या करते हैं शरीर के प्रति ध्यान नहीं देते।
So Muni yogis and all, they do not worry about this bodily because they don't have mamata on this body.
और भक्त लोग क्या करते हैं
And what does the devotees does? We'll take care of our body.
भक्त लोग क्या करते हैं बोले शरीर पे ध्यान देना चाहिए क्यों ये हमारे शरीर में
सेवा।
रहे हम भगवान का भजन करें सेवा करें।
Why devotees are taking care of body? Because
इसलिए जब
through
आप
this body we can do service of the God, Guru.
शरीर धारण के लिए हमें यथाचित जो भोजन भी करना चाहिए।
So we have to, even Bhaktivinoda Thakur, in Chaitanya Shikshamrita Grantha, he is mentioning that
वैराग्य भक्त में
Tyagi, Vairagi and Bhakta. What is the difference between Tyagi, Vairagi and Bhakta? Vairagi people,
ऐसे करते हैं। किंतु भक्त लोग जो है देखते हैं।
they will just neglect this body. But Bhakta log, they take care of this body through sadhan bhakta. If the body is not proper, if you get disease, how can you perform the bhajan? So you have to take care.
क्या बोले बुखार में आप भजन करोगे
If you get 104 degree fever, will you do bhajan? Is it possible?
एक माला भी नहीं है।
Even one mala you can't chant.
इसलिए भक्त लोग क्या करते हैं
So what does Bhakta Lok does?
ये शरीर को जो है भगवत भजन की
So they use this body for the serving of Lord
शरीर का हम की
and make this as a medium
ठाकुर
for Bhagavad Bhajan.
शिक्षा में का ग्रंथ में
So Bhaktivinoda Thakur in Chaitanya Shikshamrit Granth is mentioning for doing Bhagavad Bhajan Chidvastra dharan karna hai. Chidvastra means
देहा रक्षण होनी चाहिए बहुत सुंदर वर्णन है इसके तो उतना ही करे हम शरीर के
Deha Rakshan Chidvastra dharan. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur telling that we should take care of our body so that we can engage our body also to the service of Lord.
विषयी लोग जो भोजन आदि करते हैं
But the materialistic
विषय
people
की और भी अधिक रूप में भोग करने के लिए
who will do food and other things, they take care of this body because they want to enjoy this material world.
खाद अधिक किसमें लेते
They want to enjoy the material things. So they use their body for these things. But the devotees use their body for serving Hari, Guru and Vaishnavas.
कृष्णार्थ अखिल चेष्टा परायण और कृष्णार्थ अखिल भगवत त्याग। कृष्ण के लिए ही इस शरीर को हम धारण करना है।
So just for the Krishna we have to accept this body,
रोग बीमार
take care of this body.
औषधि लेना पड़ेगा, औषधि सेवन
If you are sick, you have to take the medicine. Oh, some devotee say, oh no, let me die. Arey, many times you have died.
शरीर के इसलिए कहते हैं भजनेर अनुकूल जहाँ
So it is also said for this body, Bhajaner Anukul Jaha,
अनुकूल वस्तु का हम ग्रहण करें।
making the medium
भगवत भजन के
to
प्रतिकूल
obtain
वस्तु
the
हम क्या करें?
Bhajan, Bhagavad Bhakti. So Anukul and Pratikul.
कृष्णार्थ अखिल चेष्टा परायण और कृष्णार्थ अखिल
Favorable and unfavorable. So we have to make favorable things of bhakti through this body, and we should neglect unfavorable things from unfavorable things to bhakti through this body. We should never do unfavorable things from this body.
यहाँ पर आते हैं
So here it is mentioned
राधा आदि राधक हाँ जो कथा मैं कर रहा था
Radha Adi. What's Radha Adi?
मुख्य रस में जो शांत रस के द्वारा राधा जी क्या सेवा करते हैं?
Nishta. क्या सेवा करता है? So what was the question asked? Maharaj asked the question, how can we perform seva through Shantras? Sorry, how can Srimati Radhika does seva through Shantras?
कृष्ण की सेवा मान करके
So Srimati Radhika does man in the Shantras, and through her man she does the seva of Lord Krishna.
यही विशेषता है
This is the speciality.
जिसके प्रेम संपूर्ण ग्रंथ में
In the Prem Samput Grantha, Lord Krishna himself,
आकर के यही प्रश्न जो पूछा पहले दिन मैंने पाठ किया
same question was asked by Lord Krishna. So before Maharaj has
क्या कि नहीं किया?
said the same things
कृष्ण ये प्रश्न को पूछने लगे देवांगना के रूप में आकर के
in the form of Devangana.
राधा जी
He asked this question that how Radharani is doing Krishna's
तो राधा
seva.
जी सही कर रहे हैं। जो मैं किससे मान करती हूँ
So the Radharani herself is telling that why I do man.
कृष्ण
I do man because
यही मैं मान करती
for the pleasure of Krishna and no other reason.
हूँ। कैसे?
And ask how.
राधा जी स्वयं करी
Radharani is telling herself
चंद्रावली के कुंज में चली
that this Krishna goes to Chandravali Kunj.
कृष्ण चंद्रावली के कुंज में जाने से चंद्रावली
So after going to Chandravali's Kunj,
ये राधा जी के
Chandravali cannot give complete pleasure to Lord Krishna.
मैं जितने पूर्ण रूप से
Like how, so Radharani is telling here, like how I give the complete pleasure to Krishna, Chandravali cannot give that.
तो कृष्ण के क्या है
And if you do not get a full-fledged happiness, then you will be sad. So Maharaj is telling that if you do not give the complete pleasure to Krishna, then Krishna will be sad.
को प्राप्त करने वाला होकर के तृप्त होता है, प्रसन्न होता है। अच्छा, यदि दूसरी सेवा गुरुदेव के सेवा की किंतु वो अच्छी तरह से नहीं बनाना नहीं जानते, तो गुरुदेव के दिया गुरुदेव तो खाएंगे, किंतु गुरुदेव की वह प्रसन्नता नहीं होगा। इसलिए गुरुदेव की अच्छी सेवक क्या करते, वो प्रतिद्वंदिता करते, नहीं मैं सेवा करूं, तुम सेवा जो करो तुम सीखो, सिखाई नहीं और खुदी खुदी क्या बोलते हैं, उल्टा होता है।
So Maharaj is telling here like how they serve Gurudev, many devotees. Like one devotee does not know cooking and one devotee knows the cooking with love. So Maharaj is taking the prasad of one devotee and Maharaj, like Gurudev is taking the prasad of one devotee and Gurudev is not accepting the prasad of another devotee because he is not cooking properly. So what does the another devotee automatically thinks? He becomes very unhappy. So in the same way, when Krishna goes to Chandravali's Kunja or when Radharani does man, it doesn't mean that she is doing Irsha and Dvesh. Irsha, Dvesh, Matsarya, they should not be even in Sevak.
33 प्रकार की है, और क्या लिखा, 33 प्रकार के व्यभिचारी भाव लिखा है।
So there are 33 kinds of Vyabhichari bhav. In that Irsha, Dvesh and so many things are there. Even Matsarya is also there. Irsha means jealous, Dvesh means enmity.
इस जड़ जगत में अपने सुख में है, किंतु चित जगत में राधा जी की जो ऊपर से हम मात्सर्य दिखाए।
So in this material world, if anybody doing enmity or jealousy, then it is for his own self. But in the spiritual world, if Srimati Radharani is doing enmity, jealous and all those things, this is for the pleasure of Lord Krishna. And Lord Krishna himself says to Radharani that today I want to come to your Kunja. So please decorate it. So Srimati Radhika and other Sakhis, they decorate very beautifully the Kunja. So here Radha and Krishna, so Srimati Radhika is preparing this Kunja through her hand. So externally Krishna may be present in every Kunja, but from internal he is very happy to be with Radhika's Kunja. So there is Kunja Bhanga Leela and so many Virha Kirtan is also there. Maharaj is telling about Vidyapati Chandidas composition, like how he was reciting the Kirtans entire night. Along with Kirtan, he used to do Vilas. One Kirtan, each Kirtan he used to sing for 3 hours. From night 10 o'clock, from morning 3 o'clock, he used to just sing. Mridanga, Kartal, harmonium. Nobody is knowing what time is going to pass so quickly. So Radharani here telling that
चलने लगे
Hmm.
और उसी रास्ते में चंद्रावली के सखी आकर के रास्ता पूछ गए, लेट
So
गई।
when Krishna was staying in Chandravali's Kunja,
हे गोविंद,
and Padma,
आप
the
थोड़ी
Sakhi of
जाती हो, अब
Chandravali,
मेरे से
came to know
चंद्रावली
that
के कुंज में
Krishna is going to Radha Kunja, Radha's Kunja. So then this Padmavati stopped him going to Radha Kunja and requested Krishna to enter into the Chandravali's Kunja. So Krishna accepted the invitation and he went into the Chandravali's Kunja and started to have love with Chandravali. And there was so much time also he was spending with long time. In the another side, Srimati Radhika, with very eagerness, she was waiting for Krishna. So if little breeze comes on the Kunja, if some leaves are shaking, all the Sakhis coming out and saying, "Oh, Krishna has come."
किसी बहाना से कृष्ण चंद्रावली के कुंज से आज प्रातः काल गुनी बना है।
So at the night time he's staying in Chandravali's Kunja and it was about to be morning.
उस समय राधा जी मानवती होकर के,
So at that time Srimati Radhika becomes Manavati, Man, and she's asking this question. What is that question? What is that question? Oh Krishna, you gave me promise that you will come, but you did not come. You make so much light. Krishna is also very intelligent, and he did not say that he went to Chandravali's Kunja because Radharani chastised. So Krishna is telling lies. Oh Radha, I was coming to meet you only, but I was by thinking about you, I become Murchit matlab fainted. I got fainted. So Krishna is, so Radharani is telling now, oh, you have so much love on me. And Radharani is telling, how come there are so many sindoor on your body? From where you are getting? Then Krishna is telling, no, this is not sindoor. While I am coming on the branches of Yamuna, I fall down. And mud, this is the mud, red color. In the body. So Radha is asking second question. Oh Krishna, how come there is a scratches on your body, nail scratches? So Krishna is telling, while I fell down in Yamuna, I got some scratches. Then Radharani caught Krishna and said, oh, you cheater, telling lies to me. And she did man. So coming back here, Radharani herself saying that what the pleasure I give to Krishna, nobody can give, even Chandravali cannot give this kind of pleasure which I give to Krishna. So this man and other things are shown by Radharani just to please Krishna. So in the Prem Samput Granth, all these things have been mentioned. So only it is mentioned Radha Purna Shakti, Krishna Purna Shaktiman, Sishti Kaleja, Devi Mula Prakriti Ishwari, Mata Bhaved Mahavishnu. Mata Bhaved Mahavishnu, Sa Evacha Mahavirata. So in this way, Srimati Radhika Rani is the mother of the universe and the maintainer of this universe. And even Mahavishnu also manifested from Srimati Radhika. So in this way, Radhika is the mother of the universe and she is the Mool Prakriti.
मूला
Prakriti. The source of all nature is Srimati Radhika.
उसी के जो है बहिरंगा
And the external potency of Srimati Radhika. Bahiranga Shakti, external potency of Krishna is Durga. All these things we will discuss tomorrow in detail. Even in, sorry, Krishna या Radhika? कृष्ण का बहिरंगा शक्ति राधिका बहिरंग शक्ति माया चित शक्ति जीव शक्ति maya shakti. So Krishna external potency is maya. In Padma Puran also it is mentioned. And what is this external potency? The external potency is also the external potency of Srimati Radhika. The external potency of Krishna is also the external potency of Srimati Radhika. And the source of all potencies of Krishna is from Srimati Radhika.
इसलिए यहाँ पर स्वयं महावीर नारद जी के ये सब कथा सुनाए। ये श्री कृष्ण वल्लभा श्री राधिका
Swayam Lord Shiva said these things to Narad Muni that Sri Krishna's Vallabha Sri Radhika is the source of all and she is the pleasure potency of Lord Krishna. So many things were been said by Lord Shiva to Narad.
ये राधा जी जो है कृष्ण की जगह गोपन करके रखती है।
So Srimati Radhika always hides Krishna and keep it near her. So the essence is here, if you do not take the shelter of lotus feet of Srimati Radharani, you will never get Krishna. Until and unless you don't get the mercy of Srimati Radhika, you cannot obtain Krishna. Samyak Rupena Rakshanati. So Srimati Radhika Rani, she hides Krishna in her heart. So all the devatas doing prayers to Srimati Radhika. Rajendra Sunu Sangate Kada Karishyasya Yamam Kripa Kataksha Bhajanam. So all the Muni, Rishis, everyone in the Jagat, Devatas, demigods, everyone is praying to Srimati Radhika, glorifying Srimati Radhika. And Radhika is always protecting this universe. So, in this way, Radharani is known as Parayukta or Parashakti. We will hear further, maybe evening and tomorrow. Now, Tulsi Aarti. After Tulsi Aarti, Maharaj will take rest. Jai